emoção, sentimento, conhecimento, arte.
Tocou no fundo do meu coração.
It seems like I've traveled through time and space.
Cambuquira is the place we choose to organize our living experiences in analytical trilogy. Like a new model of socio-economic, artistic, educational, spiritual living. It's a small place, it's not far from São Paulo. We travel through very beautiful mountains, and there we have our hotel, the largest hotel in this town. And when they go there, they have natural organic food, natural organic milk, natural organic cheese and products, very good meat, but we also have possibilities for the vegetarians. And there we have our hotel where we apply the concepts of this new world, this new society, a better life to live. We have conference rooms, we have a theater, we have musical presentations, we have artists from Brazil and from all over the world coming there. There we will have people immersed, participating and living in a society where the pathology of power is controlled. Because the pathology of power is more than ever impeding people to survive. The solutions will never come from the powerful. They are coming from the people, from those who are more capable, like artists, like scientists, like educators. So that's what we are doing here, creating mechanisms, instruments to live a happier life.